Hey, dude, you want to go play outside?
Dude, I'm playing Minecraft right now. Don't interrupt me.
But it's a beautiful day. Don't you want to go outside and see the nature?
Dude, I'm plugged into nature. Really? There's trees and grass and zombies. Die, zombies!
Dude, come with me. I'll show you nature. Take a look around. Can you watch the deer play when you're on the computer? Can you listen to the birds and their cheerful melodies? Can you smell the fragrant petals of the roses? Can you taste the crisp air? Can you feel the soil beneath your feet and between your toes? You don't get that on the computer.
Well, I guess you're right. Let's go on a walk, big brother. This message is brought to you by the Texas PTA and the One World Challenge.